Oh hey, it's me, Chris. Let's discover something new today. As you can see, I brought my man, Jake.
Jake Cheers, to be exact.
And you guys are probably questioning, why do I have all this stuff on the table? Well, we're going to be discovering what dropped first. So, let's jump into it. Okay, so first we're going to go with flat paper.
Thank you.
We're going to go with flat paper versus crumpled paper. Let's start.
Wait, when do I get to do it?
Oh, you can be the second one.
Okay, cool. So I'll put these over here then. All right. All right, so what are we starting with?
We're starting with the flat paper versus the crumpled paper.
How about I hold this one
And I
here?
hold this one.
And this
You're going too high.
higher? All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
My wins.
So you said the crumpled paper one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to put them over here. Now
All
that
right.
one's the losing one, so you can put that.
Oh, the losing one. Gee, thanks. That makes me feel good.
Okay. So now we got the battery
Ooh.
versus this bag.
All right. Are you giving me a winner or a loser? I want a winner.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
I feel like this is a little rigged, to be honest. Just a little rigged. So far we had the paper versus we had paper, but we had the crumpled paper versus just the regular paper, and then we had the battery versus the bag, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What's next?
We're having this little smiley ball versus this, do you know what this is? Frisbee.
Yeah, some sort of miniature frisbee for little ants is what I would think. I could be wrong, but
I think that's a little too big for ants.
I agree. Okay, fair
Okay,
enough.
let's start here.
All right, you try to figure out which one's gonna win. I guess. All right. Let me go first. Give me a 5. Okay, on 3.
Okay, fine.
1. Okay. Let's do it first. Okay, 3. Wait, 3 or 1? What? Do we start from 1 or 3?
Let's just go with 3.
Okay,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
I win again. Okay.
Losing does not feel good. Just
Now
to
here's
let you
the
know.
book.
Okay.
Eh.
Ooh, I like this one.
I'm pretty sure mine's gonna win.
All right, so we have some sort of science book here, and we're going up against your ball, and we're trying to see which one falls first. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
I think mine's gonna win. 'Cause it's a
Okay,
big
so wait.
ball.
3, 2,
1.
1. Whew, that felt good. That felt really good. I mean, we could go every time with the book if you want.
Okay, let's go. What's cheating?
So, what did you think about the tests?
We have more.
Oh, we have more.
We're not done.
Oh, is that what this little dinosaur guy is over here for?
No. You didn't see the plate that I was just playing with?
Alright. Okay, cool. So, which one are you gonna have?
This one.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wait, that was really close, actually.
Yeah.
That was really close.
I thought
So
mine was
let's try it again. Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Maybe it's fun to see.
Watch out.
Ernie.
There are objects in the ground that you just put down there.
I know.
Okay. So, it's
Okay.
very weird
Wait.
that they're actually landing at the same time. I would have thought for
Okay,
sure
wait.
it was
Maybe
that.
it's fun to say.
Oh, actually, that's a good idea. I didn't even think about that. So, maybe what if I go this way first,
Okay.
and then I'll go that
Oh,
way,
the
and then
same.
we'll see. Okay, let's go a little higher.
3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, no, I went way too fast. Sorry. Let's do it again. Well, we have to count down.
Well, we
Okay.
keep it count.
Sorry. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, you won.
Okay.
But let's try it if I go this way, and then you have yours looking like
The bullet.
the bullet. Okay, cool.
Okay, hold on. I'm making this look like
Should I go this way too, or go that way? I'll go this way. I'll go sideways. Okay.
I'm gonna make mine see.
3, 2, 1.
Yes.
Oh, that's pretty cool. All right. Do we have another test to do?
Yes, the dinosaurs you just said.
Ooh,
Did you
but I
forget?
don't want to drop
Mine.
this guy. I don't want to drop the dino.
I got
guy.
this for my birthday, so it's mine.
Oh, I have to drop this guy.
He's
He's so cute. All right, so let's go ahead and see who drops first.
Okay.
My guess for the last one.
I don't want this dinosaur.
Who do you
To
think
win.
wins? You think the dinosaur wins? Okay. All right. So
3,
2, 1.
1.
Ooh, I won. Mr. Kids won. So here we go. Let's put this
Okay.
to the side.
You're a winner, so chicken dinner. Okay, now we do it winners versus winners.
Ooh,
Chicken
winners. We want the ultimate winner.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Awesome.
So it's not like everybody wins. It's like only one person wins.
All right. So, just to recap, these were the winners. So we had
Okay, so this one's going with this one.
okay,
This one. Okay,
Dino Man,
Dino Man.
and then Play-Doh. But do we have one more, or that's it? And then we had the battery, right?
A battery. Where'd it
And
go?
the book.
And a
Remember,
book.
we had the book.
Yeah.
I mean, the book can't get that far, right? Oh, there we go. Here we go.
And
Perfect.
then the battery. Here we go.
The battery's right there. It's right there.
Oh,
Sweet. Okay, so which ones do we want to match up first? Okay, match up that.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
And this light battery.
Wait, we don't know if it's light.
What?
Maybe when I put it up in the air, it'll go down really fast. Right? Maybe.
Whatever you say,
calm down.
Jake. Mine's gonna
Calm
win.
down. It's a battery. It's got some juice.
Yeah, I mean, this one got some sense in it.
That's
So
true,
it might
that's true.
win.
So let's go a little bit higher. So 3, 2. Well, let's
one.
just hold it a little bit longer. Okay, I'm just kidding. 3, 2, 1. No, you actually won. I let go. I let go a lot quicker, but technically the book won.
I thought that one won.
No, I let go a lot sooner.
Okay, whatever you
Yeah.
say.
So book won. Moving on. So we got these two. So this is interesting because how would you like me to let go of this? Should I have it go this way or that way? So 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's try that again. I think
I won.
no, we gotta try that again.
Fine.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I'm doing it again.
Alright, fine. Crumpled paper beats this guy.
Boom.
Alright, you forgot to say shakalaka. I think you have to say boom shakalaka. I think everybody must agree. It's
Bingo.
boom shakalaka. Boom bingo?
No, just bingo.
Must be a generational thing. You said boom shakalaka, but boom bingo is what we're doing.
Bingo doesn't make any sense.
That's what you said.
No, that's what you said.
Oh, got it. Alright, so we got Dino Guy. I'm so sorry I have
No, you're not the dude.
Okay,
I
alright.
know, like dinosaurs, but not these.
Alright, here we go. Ready? Alright, 3, 2, 1. Dino Guy won. So, oh wow, we have the top dogs
Really?
right there.
Okay. And the crumple paper.
Oh, and the crumble paper. We forgot
There we
about
go. Oh, dinosaur again.
that. Oh, I think he knows he's gonna lose. So he went running
Yeah.
for the hills. So
Yeah, I mean, he's been this far, so why does he think he's gonna lose?
yeah, I would say let's go
Okay,
these
so-
two first,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
'Cause
I'm gonna go with dinosaur.
Okay.
He beat the girl.
Okay, so here we go.
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Yeah, he knew he was gonna lose.
So I had a few words to say to the paper. A few words.
Okay.
So
Okay. Okay. Let's put it in the book.
okay. Good.
Let's do the book versus the paper.
All right.
So,
So we're doing one crumpled paper versus many papers.
okay.
You never know who wins, guys. Sometimes.
Let's go.
So should we do it at the bottom here or do it from the top? Like,
Let's do it from the top.
okay, but make sure you have that flat. 'Cause it's gonna like. Whoa. Okay, here we go.
Hey, that's cheating. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Alright, let's do it again. I like that. You didn't miss that. Here we go again. 3, 2, 1. Alright.
Yeah, he
Book
knows
one,
what it is.
and we have something to say to all viewers. There goes the paper, guys.
Yep, let me know.
I was rooting for the paper. I was rooting for the paper.
Let's put you in the spoon real quick.
Okay, so we got these two. Now you have to take the paper out because that would be cheating. So let's take this guy out. We don't want any sort of advantage. And Dino Guy is going up against the science book.
Well, this science book already has dinosaurs in it, so I'm pretty sure this one's gonna win.
You never know.
You never know.
Alright, here we go. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Yep, we lost. So, we had the grand finale of, well, not really. The winner is the science book. I really thought this dude was gonna lose.
No, I thought he was for sure going to win, but I was hoping that it wouldn't be that obvious. So what did you think?
I thought, so let's bring up all the people and I'm gonna pick out the ones I thought were gonna win.
Hey, Chris, so what did you think after the tests?
Well, I thought of which ones do we think we're gonna win?
So which one did you think for sure was going to win right off the bat?
So versus this dude, I thought this dude was gonna win.
Yeah. Yeah, I knew for a fact just by the outfit he has on, he had no chance. Had
He doesn't
zero
have an
chance.
outfit.
Well, look, we can agree to disagree, but yeah, you would have thought he probably won because he was bigger, right?
Yeah, I thought he was gonna win because it was cool.
Oh, okay. My two favorites were actually these. I think these two went up against each other, right? And what was really cool...
No, this one went up against this dude.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, so these two, whoa, I don't know. So hopefully you guys remember. So my favorite ones out of all of them was probably this guy and this guy, because what was pretty cool was the shape, depending on how we changed it, determined how quickly it went, as well as the Play-Doh, right?
Yeah.
The Play-Doh, you switched it, you morphed it into something different. It made it a little bit more aerodynamic, so that was pretty cool.
So many airplane.
You could have.
Like I did in the beginning. Okay.
And then the paper, also depending on how the paper was made, we had the crumpled paper and then we had the regular paper. The crumpled paper is a lot quicker just because of the way it was crunched up. It fell a lot.
I thought this dude was gonna win, but I also thought this dude was gonna win because I drew him. You
drew on him? Is that what you said?
I draw on this dude.
Oh.
But not this guy. Okay. This guy lost.
Yeah.
I was hoping for that too.
Alright. Well, look. They're winners and they're losers, right?
I know.
And that's okay. That's why we test.
See you next time. I wonder what we're going to discover next time.